Welcome to MK channel. I am making this video to explain APSSC Public Examination Blueprint June 2021. In the circumstances reported by the Director of School Education and keeping in view of the orders issued by the Government of Andhra Pradesh to conduct the SSC Public Examination 2021 with 7 papers and 7 papers pattern to reduce the strain caused to the student due to COVID-19 pandemic, and after careful examination of matter, the government hereby the order issued with the following modification. And here is the blueprint of general science paper 1 and paper 2, that is physical science and biological science. Now you see, if you see in the general science paper 1 and paper 2, we are having the sections. In the section 4 sections we are having section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4. So in section 1 the question type is objective type. Question type is objective type. So objective type, how many number of questions you can see in that section is in the section 12 questions you can see there, and each question carry half mark and total marks is 6 marks. If you calculate the percentage, you will get we are getting the percentage of this section is 12%, and each question the average time per question each question to complete you have to take 1.5 minute. 1.5 minute you have to complete one question. So totally 6 questions are there. Totally a number of questions 12 are there. So when you multiply 12 into 1.5, you will get 18 minutes. It means in 18 minutes you have to complete 12 questions of section 1. Now come to the section 2. In section 2 you will be seeing very short answers. Their number of question 8 will be there. Each question carry 1 mark and total marks 8. If you calculate the percentage, you will get 16%, and each question you have to solve in 3 minutes, and total to complete this section you have to take 24 minutes. If you come to the section 3, in section 3 you will be having short answers, and these short answers 8 will be there in this section, and each question carry 2 mark. So total marks for this section is 16, and the percentage when you take you will get 32%, and for each question you have to take to complete each question you have to take 6 minutes. In 6 minutes you have to complete one question, and totally in 48 minutes you have to complete this total section. It means 8 questions, 8 6 48, and here 8 questions, each question you have to take 3 minutes, so 8 3 is 24. So 12 questions, so each question 1.5, in 18 minutes you have to complete. Now come to the section 4. In section 4 you will be given essay. So totally number of essays you have to write there is 5. Each question carry 4 marks, and total marks is 20 marks, and percentage when you take it you will get 40%, and each question you have to complete in 12 minutes. So totally we are having 5. So in 60 minutes you have to complete the total section. That is essays you have to complete in 48 minutes, in 60 minutes, and 2 marks questions you have to complete in 48 minutes. 60 minutes you have to take to complete this section 4, that is essay. So when you take the total number of questions you will be find in the question paper is 33, but when you add this one you won't get the 33. Why? Because in essay we are having internal choice means you will be having 10 essays here. So 33 questions will be given A, B, and the total marks when you add it here, so you will get 50. Percentage when you do it you will get 100%. Okay, and when you add the total time, so here you are getting 150 minutes. 150 minutes means here 150 minutes means 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours and 30 minutes. It means in 2 hours 30 minutes you have to complete the whole paper. So this is the blueprint for general science paper 1 and paper 2, that is biological science and physical science. And next, blueprint for mathematics and social studies. So here also for this time for 2021, due to COVID-19 pandemic, and for this subjects the government is conducting for 100 marks. For physics and biology, the government has conducted for 50 marks, and for mathematics, social and other subjects, that is Telugu, Hindi, English, they are conducted for 100 marks. They are going to conduct for 100 marks. So now we are going to see the blueprint of the blueprint for mathematics and social studies. So here also we are you can see 4 sections are section 1, section 2, section 3 and section 4. So in the section 1, here also you can see objective type questions, and number of questions 12 will be there, and here each question carry 1 mark. But in the case of general science paper 1, paper 2, so each question half mark. But here in this for blueprint for mathematics and social studies, you can see the marks 1 mark, and total marks here is 12, and the percentage when you take it, you will get 12%. And average time to solve that one, here the time is same for each question is 1.5, and total time to complete this section is 18 minutes. Now come to the section 2. Here a very short answer type, very short answer. Here number of questions in this section 8. Each question carry 2 mark, total 16 mark, and the percentage you will get is 16%. You have to take 3 minutes for each question, and total we are having 8 questions, so you have to complete this section in 24 minutes. Now in section 3 you will be having short answers, short answer type. So your number of questions 8, each question carry 4 mark, so total marks 32 marks, and you have to if you take the percentage for this section is 32%. Each question you have to take 6 minutes. Total we are having 8 questions, so you have to complete this section in 48 minutes. And the last section is essay. In last section you will be having essay, and number of questions are 5 marks. For this one you are having the marks, so number of questions 5, each question carry 8 marks, so total marks 40, and percentage if you take, you will get 40%. And here for each question to complete you have to take 12 minutes, and we are having 5 questions, so in 60 minutes you have to complete the total section. So when you come to the total, so totally number of questions you can see 33 in the question paper, and marks, total marks 100, percentage when you add it you will get 100%. And this also when you add the total time per section in minutes, you will get 150 minutes means here 2 hours and 30 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes. So this is the blueprint for mathematics and social studies. Thank you.